just like I love you. Are you gonna be in my life with me? You are my big dream coming true. Or will this dream of mine simply fade right out of sight? 'Cause it's just like the moon that grows so dim on the rim of that there hill in the chill still of the night. This lonely night. Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me, my lover stands on golden sands and watches the ships that go sailing. Somewhere beyond the sea, she's there watching for me. If I could fly like birds on high, then straight to her arms I'd go sailing. You'd be so nice to come home to. Yeah, you'd be ever so nice to park shoes right by the fire. With this little breeze that's on high, that screams out a lullaby. You'd be all that I could desire. Under the stars that are chilled by the winter, under an August moon that's burning above. Yes, you're going to be so nice, a whole lot of paradise to come home to come home to and love. It's 2:45. It's snowing in the place, and you and me. So set 'em up, Joe. I've got a little story you ought to know. Drinking, my friend, to the end of a brief episode. So make it one more for my baby, and one more for the road. The winter winds and those autumn winds, they have come and they have gone. Oh, but still those days, those old lonely days, they go on and on. And guess who's gonna sigh his lullabies? 2 nights that will never ever end. My fickle little friend, the summer wind, the summer wind, warm summer wind. Oh, the summer wind